Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen, and today I received 2 entries. This is the second entry, and it is officially September 30th, so anything that's been mailed out and it's not postmarked before September 30th, I'm sorry guys. But anyway, let's get to it. This is my second entry for today, and it's from Karen Herrera, and it came all the way from Shrewsbury, Maryland, I believe. Forgive me, my dear. Just let me know in the comments if I just messed it all up. But here we go. Let me open this envelope and see what we've got. Okay, nice and tight. There we go. Let's turn this over. Oh, how cute! Look at the llama. Are these bunny tails? What? Look at the little bunny tails. She got little pom-pom bunny tails. And I guess those are their feet. So cute. And they're perfect sizes. Okay, let's look at this closer because these are rosettes that she's got on here, and they're oval shaped rosettes. That is amazing. And oh, I didn't even show you her topper. That is so cute. That paper is so adorable. It's the same paper as her memory decks card, but this is an oval cut rosette, and she's got gold paper for a banner, and then she's got the pink, and she distressed the edges of the bunny. Super cute, and he could just fluff up his tail, this cute little bunny tail. I love it. And she's got a little bit of distress ink on the bunny tails. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, thank you, girly. Oh, Karen, it's so cute. Okay, let me open the card first. Oh my gosh, so rude. Let's see. Happy birthday. Thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. Thank you for playing. And let's see. Oh, look at her card. She distressed the frosting. So pretty. And the frosting is embossed with like little polka dots. And the background is also embossed, and it's got like little swirls and like flourishes. So pretty. And she got a die cut birthday wishes with the little heart topper. Oh, and it opens up this way. Oh, it's so pretty. Eileen, I hope you had a wonderful birthday and many, many happy returns to you. Here's my entry for your challenge. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, Karen. It's beautiful. I love it. So now let's get into her memory decks card. Oh, so pretty. Look at all her ephemeras. She's got stars, and she's got this really pretty gold, yellow and gold washi tape right down the side. And I think this is a cut apart in the background with the tassels. And it's got a llama. It's so cute. It says be happy, shine bright. Super adorable with little butterflies on here. Little tag. Oh, I love it. I love it, guys. And then on the back it has her info, and it says Karen Herrera, same as her YouTube name. And on Instagram she has xkaren_Herrera_X. Cute. And her birthday is also September. She's September 23rd. Happy birthday, girl. September babies. Oh, yes. And then we have, okay, crafty items. She has dies, 3-in-1 glue, dollar store stickers, and then her favorite crafty store is Michael's. Thank you, Karen. Oh, Michael's. I know, right? Who doesn't love Michael's? Okay, if you had to choose between 3 stores, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and Joann's, which one of those 3 would you go to first? your first choice. And we're going to put you in the box, my dear. Here we go. We just had Miss Tiffany. Now we're going to put Miss Karen in the box. Perfectly in the box. So there you go, Karen. 1. We have Miss Sheena as number 1. Miss Disa Dawn, number 2. Diane, number 3. And then we have Kristen, number 4. And Tiffany, number 5. And Karen, you are entry number 6. So good luck to you, ladies. So you see the field is narrow and you all have a high chance of winning the prize. So thanks for playing, and let's look at Miss Karen's card really quick. There we go. Thank you, girly, and we'll see you on the next video. Check her out. She's on YouTube and on Instagram. So love you, ladies. Bye.